Okay, if you've been paying attention to my desktop, you've noticed that over time a lot of different images appear. And a lot of these images, including this one of Bear Butte, are pictures that I've taken. And I suggest that somewhere along the line in your journey of becoming a webmaster, you try some digital photography because it's great when you can do your own photography and use your own pictures. But learning how to do that is for another time. And right now I want to show you, get ready to show you anyway, how to use more images in your web pages. So what we're going to do is do a search for an image through Google, and then we're going to take that image and copy it onto our desktop. So let's go down to Safari, and I'm going to type in Abraham Lincoln as my Google search, and then I'm going to click on Images. Now, I want to make sure that I'm not violating any copyright licensing. So I'm going to type in Creative Commons and add that to my search argument. Now, this doesn't guarantee that every image that comes up will be in the Creative Commons. Those towards the top of the list are my best hits for my entire search argument. So we'll most likely find them towards the top. So let's take a look and see what we find. Now, I'd like to have something with color. These black and white images are great, but we need to add some pizzazz to our web pages. Something that we want to add to that Gettysburg Address page. So let's go ahead and take this that's very attractive. And take a look at the description. It says Charles Wesley Jarvis, who's probably the artist who drew this, I'm sure. The subject is Abraham Lincoln. The painting was done in 1861. The photograph was taken by Cliff somebody. And look there, creative, and then we have the ellipses. So it looks like this is definitely in the Creative Commons, so we could use it. Let's go full-size image. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on that image and drag it over to my desktop. Now, click and drag is how you would copy on a Mac. If you're on a PC, what you need to do is to right-click your mouse and select Copy Image As. I like to always put these images on my desktop so I know where they are. I can move them to other folders later if I want to keep them, but this way they're handy. So I'm going to minimize my Safari window, and let's just double click on this picture to have a look. There we go. We can see it in preview. We've got it. It's got some good size to it. It is looks a little aged, but that's okay. Abraham Lincoln is a little aged. So I hope that this podcast will help you go out and find photographs for the web pages that we're working on, and that you've picked up a little skill that you can use along your travels. Have a good day.